some say when a popular non-Muslim person dies, and they say we never know whether they utter Shahada and they may accepted Islam before they die. What is the ruling of this assumption, Shaykh? يعني شوف, we should deal with others according to what appears from them. So if there is a person who is not Muslim, okay, and he's going to the church every week or every day, and he's not saying La ilaha illallah, he's not praying with us, so we say this person is kafir, he's not Muslim. After his death we say, Wallahi, we don't know, maybe he said the Shahada. No need to say that. No need to say that. And also, brothers and sisters, no need to discuss everyone after his death. Allah, he'll be in paradise. Or as Tahawi, one of the scholars who wrote in Aqidah, he said, وَلَا نَشْهَدْ بِجَنَّةٍ وَلَا بِنَارٍ لِأَحَدٍ. We should not, our way in Aqidah, we should not mention that this person will be in paradise or that person will be in hellfire. Okay, of course, he means without a proof. For example, Shaykh Ibn Baz, rahimahullah, خلاص, definitely he will be in Firdaus al-A'la. No, this is haram. We should not decide. Wallahi, this man, he's killing the Muslims in India, in America, in Kuwait. He definitely will be in the hellfire. No, this is not allowed. Brothers and sisters, to decide this person will be in paradise, this person will be in the hellfire, this is not our job. But they are Muslims, they are kuffar, according to what appears for us. If there are people who are praying with us, they celebrate the Eid, they fast Ramadan, they do the Hajj, خلاص, they are Muslims, alhamdulillah. And if there are people, they go to the church and they celebrate the Christmas, and you see the cross and it is written in their passport, Christian, we say they are kuffar. They are kuffar, they do not declare Islam. Okay, this is a country of Islam, this is a country of kuffar. Okay, but to say, well, maybe he said no need to say that. No need. And also no need to say, Wallah, he will be in the hellfire, he will be in paradise. No need to say. But if the person is Muslims, appears to us as Muslims, he is for example, he's in Kuwait, he's praying with us Jum'ah, he's praying with us the 5 prayers, she's wearing hijab, she's saying La ilaha illallah, alhamdulillah, after that we say Allah yarhamha. May Allah grant this sister or this brother al-Firdaus al-A'la, alhamdulillah.